Hey, Lemonade Man, Lemonade Man. What is that noise in the background? No, it's not a car. Is it a plane? Is it a car? Is it Superman? No. It's a Yamaha Striker, which I've had for a while. V-twin 1304cc V-twin. Beautiful bike. Had it for a while. Don't mind the garbage cans. We're cleaning up a lot of stuff in the back, so. Okay, there we go. Lemonade Man. Share, like, and subscribe. And don't let trees and his cops ruin your ride. Go check my video out. Tyrant Cops, Newport Richie, running wild. Check it out here. Share, like, and subscribe. Peace out. Love you guys.